So the aim of the practical is we need to measure VI characteristic of photo LED. Okay. So for measuring the VI characteristic, the equipment required are Syntec 2502 training kit, then multimeter, two multimeters we require, one for measuring the bias voltage and second for measuring the forward voltage. Okay. Then what we need to do, we need to connect the diagram. Now in the connection, what we need to do, over here we need to take this comparator bias supply and we need to give that bias supply to the emitter circuit. Okay. Then for measuring this bias voltage, what we need to do, we need to connect this multimeter at the input of the emitter and the ground of the multimeter is grounded. Okay, so this multimeter will give us the bias voltage, and for measuring the forward voltage we need to take the output from the 7th pin of the emitter and we need to connect plus 12 volt. The lit node need to connect with the plus 12 volt knob over here. Okay, so this multimeter will give us the forward voltage. Okay, so using this comparator circuit knob, we need to increase the bias voltage and we need to calculate the forward voltage. So observation table, the first column of the observation table is we need to note down the bias voltage. So over here the bias voltage is 0.044 and corresponding to the 0.044 bias voltage we are getting the forward voltage as 0.071. Now I am increasing this bias voltage to 1.5. So bias voltage 1.5 corresponds to the forward voltage of 0.815. We need to again increase the bias voltage to 2.5. Okay, I am showing you some of the readings, but we need to take it for all the readings within the interval of 0.2. Okay, the corresponding forward current forward voltage is 11.86. Let's take it for 2 volt. See, the forward voltage is 2.640. Now when my bias voltage increases to 2.5, the intensity of light increases, that is the forward voltage, the rise of forward voltage takes place to 11.86 volt. Okay, so in this way, for the various reading of bias voltage of the comparator, we need to take the reading corresponding to the forward voltage. Okay, and we need to make the observation table from that, and we need to plot the graph of bias voltage against the current for measuring the VI characteristic of LED.